There are many. Point number 1. Point number 2. They go with beliefs. Beliefs have given a birth to gods. Up to so far, we will count over 5,000 gods that have been discovered from the beginning of mankind, with the Egyptians being the dominance in the discovery of those gods. Abo Apet, abo Osiris, they give them names. In those gods, they used what you call energies, amandla ayenza namhlanje kuze kuthiwe kunabo tikoloshi, kunemikhovu. Umuntu cishe acreate umuntu through those things, and zikhona, they do exist.
What is your message? We're closing now.
Yes.
What is your message? You're going to look at that camera. What is your message with Zangoma? Ezisebenzisa umhlonyane, ezisebenzisa imithi, ezinemithi ezizaboniswa ukuthi lo mithi lo uyapholisa. Yathathwa leyo mithi, yenzwa amapilisi.
Leyo nto leyo uzongibiza ngizokhuluma ngayo. Mina ngokwami ngikwate kakhulu. I'm very angry with the world and some patents ezithathwe kubo khokho bethu. Abelungu befika lapho behamba kubo khokho bethu bebuza lokhu kuyini. Leyo mithi leyo ingama ingredients yama patents wabo esesiyithengiselwa thina ibe yayingiyabo khokho. Umhlonyane ungeminye yemithi esebenzayo, kodwa isebenza neminye imithi ukuze yenze ezinye izinto. Engikhale ngakho mina ngomhlonyane ukuthi why ungasetshenziswanga, ungazange waphuzwa nguzwela inzima vavi ngeCovid. Uqale lapho umhlonyane wawukuphi? Lento yokuthi abantu ba discover imithi bezwa ngama rumors bazobulala abantu, ezinye izinto they are poisonous, ezinye azisebenzi zingamixwanga nezinye, yikho kwathiwa ukuthaka.
Yeah, what is your last word to our viewers?